Hello everyone, this is Casey from Retekess. Today I will show you how to use TD167F restaurant pager system. And as we can see, that is a keypad transmitter, and that is the pager. And first, before we use it, we should set the base ID. And we should pair the keypad transmitter with the pagers, so the keypad transmitter can call the pagers. And how to set the keypad transmitter base ID, and it's very easy. We press the back button with this call button at the same time. We can see F1, and we press call. We can see there is a number is number 1. That is the keypad transmitter base ID. Press call to confirm. We can see the beep sound. It means we are successful, and we can back to the main interface. Press the back button to the main interface, and then we can pair the pager with the keypad. As we can see, there is a charging slot. It is used to pair the pagers with the keypad. We should put the pager into this slot. As we can see, it's number 1. If we want to change it into number 2, we can enter the number 2 and press the P button. We can hear the beep sound. It means we are successful. We can test it. We can put it back, and it will stop. And I will show you how to change the promote mode of the pager in the next video. Thanks for your watching.